Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto app updates on iPhone with iOS 26. So to do this, you have just to go to settings, scroll down until you find apps. Click on it, and after that, go and click on App Store. And here on App Store, as you can see, there is an option called App Updates. And here, the first option, if you want to turn off Auto App Updates, you have just to turn it off like that. And like that, your phone will not make any automatic updates for any app on your iPhone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.